Welcome guys to the tutorial I was promising you. So here we are. First thing that you need to do is click on the first link in the description and will lead you to this site here. Now let me just show you very quickly what it is. It is the file section here that you need to download by clicking on the code and download zip file here. After you've done that, go to the folder that you just downloaded, and here you can see all the files necessary for this bot to work. As you can see here, don't click none of these files yet. First thing that you need to do is right click on the folder here and click open in terminal. Once you've done that, the terminal will open and you need to download the files that are in the installation section here. Also, you need Python 3.9 plus version. So by doing this, you go to Python download here, Python download Python, and download Python 3.11.0. Okay, now copy this code for here and just paste it in like this. Click enter. It's done. Perfect. Go to the other code, copy it, and paste it in again. Done. The third code, copy, paste, done. Perfect. Now go to the second link in the description and it will open this site on reddit.com, which is authorized applications. Now what we need to do is create an application, which is pretty simple. Don't make it so complicated. First things first, click on create app, new app. This section here will open. Now name the bot or the app whatever you like. I called mine TikTok bot. Next, click on the script. Don't use the web.app, but script. Description, you can put whatever you want. And about URL and redirect URL should be whatever you want. So I just copied this URL on the top and paste it in here. Now, once you've done that, leave it open. Go to terminal. Go to terminal, yes, and run this code in here. So Python, so the fourth code, run it. Boom. And it opens. As soon as you see these symbols here, it means that it's working. Now, it will ask you for different settings and preferences and whatever you want. So it will ask you how long the comment should be, how much time between each comment, how the opacity of the comment, and so on. Also, it will download a background video of a Minecraft parkour tutorial, something like that, just to make sure like it's suiting for the eye, right? Okay, so now back to the preferences here in the Reddit application site. You need to copy the personal use script and the secret code script, because this main.py will ask you for the scripts, and just put it in and follow the lead. At the end, it will ask you for the subreddit. I suggest you put in the r/ask Reddit because it's the best one and it's not safe for work safe. Because this bot uses a not safe for work filter, which can be disabled if you want. And as soon as it finds a not safe for work thread, it will immediately skip it. So don't worry about that. Now, after you're done that, choose text-to-speech bot. I usually go with twitch.com one because it's the most suiting one, I think. That's my preference. You can choose whatever you want. And after that, it will start to generate your video. Here you can see video will be, what would you do with $1 billion? This thread has 311 upvotes and 13,000 comments. Now it's saving text to MP3 files. Here you go. it's saved. Now it's downloading the screenshots. It's done, and now it's writing the video here, as you can see. Just wait for this to finish and you will get a video in your results folder here. I suggest you save this folder on your desktop or somewhere you like. So double click on the result folder, and depends on how many subreddits you've chosen, this is how many folders you will have. So I chosen as credit subreddit and only have one subreddit here. So click on it, and here are all the videos that you will get. They are perfectly original, no watermarks, no nothing. So if you like to post quickly on TikTok or YouTube, this is the perfect way to do it. I also have another bot that I will be sharing with you soon, and it's also pretty unique and quick. That's everything for today. Make sure to click on the video on the top left corner, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Peace.
What would you do with $1 billion? Prepay my rehab. In a nice place. Fuck right off. You'd never hear from me again. I'd buy a green dress. But not a real green dress, that's cruel. I'll tell you what I'd do, man, 2 chicks at the same time, man. Pay off loans and then with the remaining $1.20 buy a Snickers. Nothing at all in terms of work. I'd buy a few properties around the world and bounce between them depending on my mood. I don't like big houses or flashy cars, so most people wouldn't know I had that kind of cash.